All right, everyone, BTC is setting up an extremely bullish count right now. We're going to go over that and much more in today's video. I'm going to go over exactly where I think price is heading. We got to look at the macro, guys. I have the macro count I'm going to run through with you guys today, as well as 3 different counts. Obviously, my primary variation, which we've gone over in previous videos. If you're subscribed to this channel, top is in variation. We're going to go over. I'm still sitting in my longs over on Blowfin, long BTC. I'll zoom in this for you. Long BTC, and then over on BitUnix, long on Solana. So still happy with sitting in my longs. Obviously taking profits on the way up, doing our thing. Going to go over all that for you today. But hey, things are looking real bullish in my opinion. For at least to move up to 95 to 100K, that should be no surprise to you guys if you've been watching this channel. First thing we're going to go over before anything is the overhead view of the macro. I need you guys to know where my head is at as far as, long story short, I don't think there's going to be a blow off top situation. I don't think the bull market is just starting. I think it's ending, if it hasn't already ended. Starting from the inception of BTC, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a finished 5 waves for me right there. Like the way that looks. Coming off of that, I have a flat correction here. I've been messing around with this count a little bit, guys, and I'm really liking this flat variation. This is on log scale, but I can see a correction down, correction up, an impulse down right here. If we pull the fibs on that, comes down to the 786 quite beautifully. Looks like a nice little flat correction right there. Long story short, it leads to this move that we got. Bullishness starting all the way from December of 2022 at the lows. We've been in a bull market, guys. We've just been pushing to the upside. And unfortunately, I think at least this wave is coming to an end. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, this is the 5th wave, guys. If it hasn't topped already, and you guys, if you've been watching this channel, my primary account, and I'm quite literally long right now. I'm looking for another high to get put in here. But after that, I'm looking at this as being finished. And hey, extended bear market coming to a chart near you. That's what I'm looking at, guys. This is just a little rough sketch, but I can see 22K getting hit. Just correcting this entire move, putting in a correction, and then hey, it's long term very, very bullish. But this just looks good to me. Breaking down, testing this trend line, coming down. We could break this trend line. This trend line means absolutely nothing to me, guys. Nothing to me. Let's take all this liquidity. Let's destroy everyone, and then let's rip up out of here. The time horizon on this, guys, this is probably not accurate time-wise. Don't pay attention to that. Just look at the wave structure. That's all I'm trying to lay out here for you. This could extend out into 2028 for all I know. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But that's what I'm looking at long term. I'm looking at a finished 5 waves here, coming down, correcting, at least down to 35, 40K, somewhere in here, probably down to 20K. All right, so that's where I'm at long term with things. Now let's go over into switch gears into the analysis that you want to see here. I'm just going to zoom in super close for you. Let me put a little watermark on here for you guys. There we go. 5-minute time frame on BTC. This weekend we did have a little dump and pump and dumping again. Hey, this is no surprise to us over in Discord. You guys need to be over in Discord for the real-time analysis. I can't post a video every hour of every day. These things constantly evolve. But we were looking out for this WXY here. I told everyone good swing long right here. I will come back here and show you. I had church this morning. We had a busy weekend, but nonetheless, I make sure my premium members kind of know where my head's at with stuff. I did not take these trades because I'm already in my longs, but I'm still getting everyone set. Here we had the WXY coming down, and then I said good swing long around 83K, as you can see. 83K, good swing long. Looking to short this down to about 83K. And that's pretty much what ended up playing out. Here. Where's my, there we go. Came down to around 82.5, and then we pumped up out of here. But here's the WXY. Came down. I hope my premium members got in on some of these trades. And you know I'm keeping them posted what's going on right now. I'm not going to go over micro analysis for you guys today because, like I said, these things evolve. But come over to Discord, check it out. You can upgrade to premium, which is where these trades are at, as well as my trades that I'm currently in. I post all of my trades here, guys. This is the Solana trade. This is the BTC trade. I mean, I post all of these trades real time. I put them in. Just click upgrade here. You get $20 off your first month with code 20OFF at checkout. Give it a try now. So much more is included in premium. I'm not going to go over it. Just join the free Discord pin in the first comment down below. Check out the free course. I got a free boot camp, bunch of learning material, free community, and then just click upgrade here to get into the premium option. All right. Let's get back to the 1 hour time frame. Let's get back to the 1 hour time frame. Now, my primary situation is right here. This is the primary scenario for me. And why I'm long. I see a WXY finished to the downside. Finished to the downside here. From there, I'm looking at a correction up, correction down, impulsive leg to the upside to come up to these higher fib targets. I see a 1-2 put in. Is this a second 1-2? Now, this is the GIGA-BULLISH count that I'm talking about, the GIGA-BULLISH pattern, and it's showing on two different wave structures, this one and this one, the WXYZ variation. As you can see, this comes well past the 100K, comes straight up to all-time high. In this variation, the primary count that I'm playing, I have a flat playing out, looking for some type of an ending diagonal situation to still come up and attack the highs at all-time high. Going to take its time, be a slow, methodical push to the upside rather than a quick pump. This is what I'm playing. Either way, good longs to be in. And in this case, I got a WXY finished down here at the lows. I don't want to see us go any lower, guys. I don't want to see it. I'm going to really assume all-time high top is in if we hit any lower on this chart right now. That's just what I'm doing and how I'm playing it. Bear market has started if that is the case, all right? For me. Now, looking at both of these bullish counts, I have the WXYZ variation where we have correction down W, correction up X, correction down Y, correction up X, correction down Z. Triple correction rather than a simple WXY. If that is the case, I'm looking for a very bullish impulsive wave to the upside because we wouldn't need to just put in an impulsive wave for a flat correction. Instead, we're saying we're finished here. This is going to get impulsive right now. And, you know, same structure. We're looking at an impulsive wave, but I have a 1-2. And here's another 1-2 looking for the big time 3, 4, 5. Like, this is the wave you want to be on. There's a good potential, keyword potential, for this to play out in our favor. You want to put, this trading, guys, you got to place yourself in good positions for good opportunities, for good potentials to play out. Nothing is 100%, nothing is certain in trading, but as long as you're placing yourself consistently in good situations, putting yourself out there for good opportunities, you will hit at some point. You just got to keep doing that consistently. Potential is here. Great potential for an absolutely monster jam to the upside. That's why Elliott wave is so key for me, guys. It really is. It allows me to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, if you know what I'm saying. Coming up to 100K, that's the move I'm looking for. And that's the move I'm quite literally long for right now. We're going to go over the top is in variation as well, what you need to watch out for here, guys. These are the two exchanges I use, Blowfin, BitUnix. They are both no KYC. They are the best no KYC exchanges out right now. I did hook you guys up with deposit and trading volume bonuses. BitUnix, which is what my sole position is in right here, I got you guys VIP 2 trading fee reduction for them. So it's 15% off trading fees. And you also get deposit bonuses, 10%, some are 20%, depending on how much you deposit. Here's the bonuses. Here's the trading volume bonuses. Also, you get both of these with BitUnix. Pinned in the first comment down below are the links for Blowfin and BitUnix. Blowfin, I'm running a $5,000 tournament right now. So sign up with that link and you're automatically in the 5K tournament. BitUnix, you got the reduced trading fees, deposit bonus, trading volume bonus. All right, let's go over the bearish. Top is in, all-time high is in. We ain't going for another high scenario. Instead of counting this as a WXYXZ, I can count it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upon which, you know, it channeled nicely. Still looking for a move up to 100K, as you guys can see. Still looking for this push. But it's just going to be a correction of this starting A leg of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A correction. B coming down hard for C. You know, after that, I'm not saying we're even finished. We could extend out probably WXY and come down to this, you know, 20K zone down in here. Well, in the future, not going to go over that. I just want you guys to be aware, hey, all-time high can be in. You know, we're ready for that. My plan in this trade is taking this up to 100K, 90, 95, 100K. Obviously, TPing on the way up, guys. I'm not going to be holding this sucker, you know, to 100K. If it hits 99, I'm not going to close. I'm holding it to 100. Like, come on. TPing on the way up because that's trading, baby. But this is the overall plan, taking it up to 100K. This scenario, I love for that. This scenario, I love for that. This scenario, I love for that. I mean, things are looking bullish. I love a 1-2-1-2 situation. Let's pump to the upside. We'll see what we get tonight leading into tomorrow. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin updates, guys. This is my second time making this video. The first time the mic was absolutely roasted. I don't know what was going on, but we're good. Sorry about that if you watched that previous video. Appreciate you guys watching. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.